Everton are being linked with a summer move for Phil Jones, but the club supporters are definitely not too keen on seeing the England defender arrive at Goodison Park. Jones has played for current club Manchester United 21 times this season, but looks to be behind the likes of Eric Bailly, Victor Lindelof and Chris Smalling in the pecking order, whilst United will probably look to add more defensive reinforcements this summer. That has prompted the Liverpool Echo to report that Toffee's boss Sam Allardyce is keen on signing the player he handed his professional debut to at Blackburn Rovers back in 2010, but he might need to convince this lot. The 26-year-old's contract at United expires at the end of next season, but current manager Jose Mourinho has the option to extend it automatically by a year, and you'd imagine he probably would, in order to maximize any potential transfer fee. What do you think of the reaction? Would Jones really be that poor a signing? This story was first featured on Talking Paws.